Aloha! Have you ever received a spreadsheet containing data like this? Wait, let me zoom to selection. My marquee is in the data, and your marquee should always be in the data. The marquee is on cell A3 right now. So I'm going to press a shortcut, Control A, that's going to select the entire range of data. Now I'm going to zoom to selection. So we're going to go to the View tab, and in the Zoom group, there's a Zoom to Selection. So let's click on Zoom to Selection, and there you have it. We've zoomed right into the selection. I'm going to go ahead and start working with this range of data. Normally when you get a spreadsheet like this containing all kinds of different formats, you'll notice some fonts are formatted in different types. You've got some are bolded, some are not, some are Comic Sans fonts, some are another type of font. Then look at the revenue generated column. You've got some currency format and some cells don't have any currency format. And even when you have currency format, you have different types of currency format. You've got euros and you've got US dollars. And you've got cells that have different color backgrounds in them. You'll also notice, take a look for example at cell B6 where you see a comment appear. Anytime you have a cell that's got a little red triangle on the upper right hand corner like this one, when you hover over it, you have a comment that pops up. So those little red triangles let you know that those cells contain comments. And we have 3 cells in this range that contain comments. So what we want to do is we want to clear all these formats from here, and we want to clear all the comments. And normally you'd go, oh darn, now I got to go through and individually clear all those formats and all those comments. It's going to take me forever. Well, no, you don't have to do that. You know how to use Excel, and we got some quick techniques for working. So what we're going to do first is we're going to select a range of data that we want to clear the formatting from. You'll notice we don't want to clear the formatting from the title row or the header row. We like it just the way it is. So we've got the marquee on cell A3, and we're going to use a shortcut to select just a range of data that we want to clear the formats and the contents from. So we'll press Control Shift arrow to the right, Control Shift arrow down, and there you have it. We've selected the range of data that we want to clear the format and the contents from. So now we're going to go to our Home tab, and inside our Home tab all the way to the right is the Editing group. You'll notice right here is our Clear tool. So when you click on the Clear tool, you'll notice that you can clear all, and if we clear all, it's going to clear everything, even the contents of the cells, and that's not what we want to do. We just want to clear the formats and clear the comments. So let's first click on Clear Formats, click, and there you have it. All the formats are gone. And you'll notice though that we still have the comments right inside these cells. So since we've got that range already selected, let's go ahead and clear the comments from that range. So we go back to the Editing group, click on the Clear tool, and now Clear Comments, and now the comments are all gone. So there you have it. We've cleared all of the formats and all the comments in just a couple clicks, and we used shortcuts to help us get our job done a lot faster and more efficiently. And remember, let's keep on learning, and don't get mad, get skills. Aloha.